Ever wondered why your stock goes up on bad news and down on good news? Learn to trade like banks, FIIs, DIIs, mutual funds, big fish, market makers, insiders. Conventional method gives conventional results. Learn the secret of making quick money in any financial market, be it share, commodity, forex, or cryptocurrency, futures and options. Trade with the experts and trade with big money movement for guaranteed profits. Learn the way how Big Fish manipulates market and makes trap for novice traders. Demand Zone has pool of buying orders of banks, FII and DII, where stock price comes and jump upside. Supply Zones has pool of selling orders of institutions, where price comes touches and come goes down sharply. Forecast the market next move without use of any indicators. Become a confident and emotionless trader. Learn pure price action. Learn to make money using scalping techniques, intraday techniques, swing, positional, or long-term strategies. Trade in live market with best faculties and make profit in front of you to build your confidence. Live trading, first time in India. We at Professional Traders Academy give you the best education. We are a group of professional traders who have worked with insiders of markets and taught thousands of people to earn consistent profits by trading. Register for a free demo, free counseling now by filling form. Link in description. Come and feel the change in your trading style and life. Website www.ptacoaching.com.